Section 16, the journey. We're only going to use the Response app on a couple of occasions here. Number one, to establish exactly where we're going, and number two, if we feel it appropriate to contact the customer with an ETA. Most of this is about using the other apps at our disposal. So things like Total Car Check, Fuel Cost Calculator, or indeed, if we're taking an electric car, Zap Map, in order to plan our journey accordingly. From the Response app, first thing we're going to do is look at our destination address, and of course we're then going to pop that into either Google Maps or Waze, whichever we prefer, to determine A, how many miles we have to cover and what our ETA is. We may use Total Car Check if we feel we need to check things like fuel economy, MOT status, even fuel type. Fuel Cost Calculator we'll be using to check how much fuel we ought to be putting in, making sure we don't overfuel or indeed underfuel. And Zap Map, of course, if we're driving an electric car, we'll be using to plan our journey to ensure that we can find fast chargers en route. Once all that's sorted, we then are on the road and we consider contacting the customer with a definite time of arrival.